section of my video, we will be calculating the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a conducting slab in between the plates. As we have also calculated the concept of a parallel plate capacitor, in this section we will be inserting a conducting slab between the plates of a capacitor and calculating the expression. Now let us suppose this is a parallel plate capacitor, plate area A. Let the plate area of this capacitor be A. The separation between the two plates is D. Now consider a conducting slab. This is a conducting slab which is being introduced between the plates of capacitor. The thickness of this plate is T. Consider that this thickness is less than the distance between the two plates. As you can observe that the plates of the capacitor are already charged, giving the field E0 from positive to negative. On inserting a conducting slab, a certain amount of field exists inside the conducting slab. With time, the magnitude of this field reduces to zero. As you can observe, the direction of field inside this conducting slab will be in opposite direction as that of the net field. With time, the field inside the conducting slab reduces to zero. Hence, we can observe that the field in this T region has been reduced to zero. Therefore, the field now only exists over this D minus T region. The remaining region, excluding the value T, is D minus T region. Therefore, potential between the plates after you have inserted a conducting slab and the field is reduced to zero, the potential is equals to E into D minus T. Let this be equation number 1. As I have just said that potential will be reduced to D minus T region. Its potential can be expressed as V equals to E0 into D minus T. E0 represents the field between the parallel plate capacitor, which can be expressed as sigma upon epsilon 0. Since E equals to sigma upon epsilon 0, the magnitude of field between the plates of capacitor. Here sigma represents uniform charge density, that is charge per unit area. Again, we have sigma as charge per unit area. Substituting the value, we have Q upon epsilon 0A into D minus T. Substituting the value of net charge as CV. V and V get cancelled. Solving for the value of this C, we have therefore C equals to epsilon 0A upon D minus T. Taking this D common, we have epsilon 0A D 1 minus T by D. This epsilon 0A by D represents capacitance of a capacitor with air between the plates. So here comes the expression of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a conducting slab between the plates. From this expression, we observe that C is always greater than C0, which shows that while you are inserting the conducting slab between the plates of capacitor, its capacitance is increasing, as it is clear from the given expression. So this was the basic logic and concept as well as derivation of the conducting slab. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thank you.